cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut chrome delete kit, but what you might not know is that Bogart Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogarttechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid Max, and we're going to do the lower lip installation for this vehicle. So this is how the chrome looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material in order to black out the lower section of the lip. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the lower lip. So in order to prep it, we're going to need our slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. You can also use, if you have it available, tack solution, which contains isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. This is just to help remove any hard contaminants like any wax, oils, grease, or any other coating that it may have. So we're going to grab our slip solution, spray it onto our clean microfiber towel, and just start removing any contaminants that the entire lower lip has. And then once we're done, if you do have this available, you can use it as well to help do the second pass. And then once you're done prepping, make sure that everything's dry. That way the adhesive on the film is able to tack down to the panel. So when it comes to doing the installation, when you have your kit, it's going to look like this. So both the top sections are the same when it comes to the installation. The only different one is the middle one here, which is for this middle piece. So we're going to start with the passenger side since we're facing the passenger side of the vehicle. So we're going to go and start with this piece first, piece number one, this middle piece right here. So when it comes to doing the installation for this one, just place the film down here. And this one has a small design on the curve here, so this one align it to this curve right here. And then just place the film, work your way to one end, and then slowly work your way to the other end. And use this top half as a guide to align the rest of the film. And it should cover everything. Just slowly start removing any air bubbles that you have underneath the film. If you do encounter these fingers here, these fingers, we could tack them down slowly just by lifting the film and tacking it down like this. But if you have a heat device like a heat gun or a hairdryer, you can also use it in order to remove the fingers here. Okay, so if you encounter these fingers here, just lift the film carefully, apply heat, let the film cool down just a little bit, and then slowly start tacking it down. And this should wrap around the bottom section here as well. And then do the same for this small curve here. And then just help it wrap around. This will help prevent any fingers that you may have here. We help smoothen the fingers down so you don't have any creases. So it should be smooth like this. And then just grab your squeegee and finish off the rest of the installation here. Make sure everything's secured on this end also, and then work your way to the other end. And then if you do have excess material on this edge here, you would just slowly trim it off using this gap right here. So just take out your blade, insert it right in between the gap, and just carefully trim it off. And then just peel off. And we should be good. Apply heat. seal the edge, and that's it. And then once we finish with this one, we move on to piece number 2. So for piece number 2, it's basically the same steps as how we did it here. So just align it and tack it down. With this one, you could use this section as a guide to align the film and then work your way. Just make sure everything stays aligned, follow the design, slowly, little by little, until you reach to the line. Insert blade, small gap here, and just be careful, take your time, and peel it off. Seal the edge, that way it doesn't lift. And we're done. And now we're moving on to the last piece, which is piece number 3 for this part here. Okay, piece number 3, it's more simple since it's more flat. We just need to make sure we wrap around the film here to cover this bottom section here. So just focus on one end, align it to one side first. I recommend starting from top to bottom. So just like this, top to bottom. And then just using the top half as a guide to align the rest of the film. And if you have those fingers, we can always adjust it as we go. To 3. So once you finish placing everything on top, just grab your squeegee and remove all of the air underneath the film. Take your time doing this step, removing all of the air. The top section, if you have extra material, you can just tuck it underneath. And then just bring everything down to this side, and then start from the middle to wrap it underneath. And then work your way out. And then do the same for the other end. And to help seal the bottom edges, you will need to apply just a little bit of heat. That way it stays sealed and tacked down and doesn't lift over time. But before you seal, make sure you remove all the bubbles on the front here. So once you finish with the entire installation for the lower lip, the last thing to do is the post heat. So just grab your heat device. You can use a heat gun or a hair dryer, whichever device you use. Just make sure you use the lowest setting. If you do use the highest setting, just make sure not to focus on one area for too long. That way we don't accidentally burn the film. So take your time applying heat evenly, making sure you help tack down the edges, the curves, everywhere on the film. And then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the front lower lip installation for the Toyota Grand Highlander Max. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.